Okay, so we are back with another tutorial. Today's is served up by, again, one of your requests. It's called Scented Candles by a group. I'm guessing it's called Wedding Crashers. It's spelled weird. I'm just put it on the screen somewhere. And yeah, in E flat major, I believe. If that is not true, I will also have that information on the screen. In fact, I'm not going to tell you guys what key it is anymore verbally. I'm just going to put it on the screen. So let's get it. So this song is actually pretty darn easy. There is no different variations to get into. It's just a loop. So we're going to start with the piano lick. It is down tuned some sense. It's not exactly on pitch like standard tuning, but yeah, so if you hear that discrepancy, it's not just you, or it might be the one I was listening to. Anyway, let's go. So starts off like this. And it just repeats over and over again. So all that is this right here. You're gonna start with, I might group it in notes of 2 or 3. So I'm gonna give you the first 3. So you got this triad type idea with your E flat, A flat, C. So it's kind of in this 8th note triplet pattern type deal over this 4/4 groove. So and a little trill here, and that's a trill between B natural and C. So B, C, B. Then you're gonna go up to this G right here. I wasn't sure, that's why I played it so gently. So here we go. So you contact G, D, F, so far we have kind of in time. So after you hit this F up here, you're gonna hit this E, then an E flat. So since I'm gonna show you the chords, because the chords are basically the same as well, I'm gonna show you that with using just the left hand. So we're gonna do a right and left. So that's why I'm trying to do it all with just one hand here. So we have then after that you're gonna go G, C, D, C, D, C, D, C. So kind of in tempo. Da, 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 da. and then it leads back in to start the loop over by doing this G right here, and then back to the E flat. And that's it for the lick. Now, as far as the chords go, okay, we made it. So basically an A flat triad. So B, natural, D, F, so you got this E flat, like second inversion, I think. So you got G in the bottom, B flat, E flat, and it just loops around. I'm just adding the F on the bottom here. I'd like to put all that together for you guys, but my MIDI keyboard is still out of commission, so yeah, lift some prayers for your boy. But that is it.
Yeah, something different. Yeah. 13-7. Really different though. Yeah.
My bad. Oh my goodness. We get this, my bad. Let's go.